If you've been following Samsung's smartwatch lineup, chances are you're already wondering what the Galaxy Watch 8 will bring to the table. Whether you're all about fitness tracking, love keeping up with cutting-edge tech, or just enjoy the convenience of a smartwatch, this one is definitely on the radar. Samsung hasn't officially announced a release date yet, but based on their usual schedule, we can expect the Galaxy Watch 8 to launch sometime around mid-2025, likely alongside the next Galaxy Z Fold and Flip phones. Pricing should be in the same ballpark as the Galaxy Watch 7, starting somewhere between $300 and $380, depending on the size and whether you go for the LTE version. Of course, any major design changes or new features could push that number higher. Speaking of features, the Galaxy Watch 8 is expected to retain all the fan-favorite health and fitness tools, like body composition analysis, sleep tracking, and heart rate monitoring. But the real game changer could be the addition of a blood glucose monitoring sensor. If Samsung manages to pull this off, it would be a huge deal, especially for people with diabetes who currently rely on more invasive methods to track their glucose levels. While the technology has been rumored before, this could be the year it finally becomes a reality. When it comes to design, things might be taking an unexpected turn. Rumors suggest Samsung could introduce a new square-shaped display, moving away from its signature round watch face. This would be a big shift, possibly attracting Apple Watch fans who prefer that style, but it could also alienate some Samsung purists. That said, if Samsung does bring back the classic model, it's likely to feature the beloved rotating bezel for those who love that tactile navigation experience. Performance-wise, we can expect an updated chipset for faster processing and better efficiency, which could lead to longer battery life. Something Samsung really needs to improve to compete with rivals like the Google Pixel Watch. A full 2-day battery life would be a dream, and if Samsung can improve power management or include a larger battery, it might actually happen. Fast charging could also see some improvements, reducing the time you need to be tethered to a charger. Another potential addition is a digital crown, similar to what's found on the Apple Watch and Google Pixel Watch. This small, tactile dial would make scrolling, zooming, and navigating menus much smoother without needing to block the screen with your fingers. It's a subtle but effective upgrade that could make daily use more intuitive. Display technology might also get an upgrade, with rumors pointing to a possible switch from OLED to micro-LED. If this happens, expect better battery life, improved brightness, and sharper resolution, making everything on the screen pop even more. With both Apple and Samsung reportedly working on micro-LED tech, it wouldn't be surprising if the Galaxy Watch 8 is one of the first to adopt it. All in all, the Galaxy Watch 8 is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most exciting smartwatches yet. Between the possible design overhaul, the addition of groundbreaking health tracking features, and much-needed battery life improvements, there's a lot to look forward to. If Samsung sticks to its usual timeline, we should see the watch unveiled by July 2025, and until then, the rumors will only get more interesting. So, what do you think? Excited about the potential changes, or do you prefer Samsung to stick to its classic round design? Let's talk about it in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news. Until next time, take care.